The Ishida IPAI supports case packing operations. Here, we have a target set for 2 packs per case and 2 cases per carton. After the first 2 packs, it prompts the operator to print the case label. After printing the case label, the operator presses Next and returns to the same PLU to complete 2 more packs for a second case. After the 2 packs are complete, the IPAI again prompts the operator to print the case label. After the case label is printed, the operator presses Next and then the Print button to issue the pallet label. Here you see the first 2 pack labels and then the carton label. You also see the second 2 pack labels and the carton label. Plus, the final label is the pallet label in this demonstration, providing a summary of everything that was packed.